It's Throwback whatever day today is. 1993 update Pro Set Power Football Trading Cards. Got a few of these packs, and what's interesting about these packs, love the old design on these. Look what it says. Focus a little bit. Zero in on player performance with the power update. Heads up stat display. High-tech digital layer imaging. High-tech. Stats. Special power. Stat display. Action. 9. Premium NFL Power Football photo cards. 1. Star Power foil embossed card in every pack. 1 5-card Impact Rookie insert set. And 10-card Power Combo insert set. I like these little packs. 1993 Pro Set. So I got a few packs. Open some of these up. Get excited. I think I need a moment here. Let's see. Fred Stokes. Power Prospects. Dan Williams. Kevin Green. William Rofe. Good offensive lineman. Mar Ingram. Vincent Brisby. Robert Delfino. Briar Corbin. And Cordell Marshall. A little bit of warp to these cards over the years, but that's to be expected. 1993. Yeah, next pack. Power Prospects. James Jett. They're all Power Prospects, aren't they? Derek Brown. Tim McHugh. Eric Curry. Terrell Edmonds. And Circus Everett. Will Wolford. Gordy Esmail. And Vinny Testaverde. Everybody loves Vinny Testaverde. Alright, I'll obviously keep the last pack for the collection. I don't even know what. I'll probably buy some more of these, but this was just a little sneak peek of 1993. Little sneak peek. Sneak peek. Alright, this was a 2-pack video. Just a couple packs.